Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm a San Diego criminal attorney, and I'm also the owner and managing partner at the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California. My firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I'd like to discuss with you transportation and distribution of drugs. In San Diego, with our close proximity to the Mexican border, we handle a lot of those types of cases. Usually involves someone coming across the border, either on foot or with their vehicle, with drugs, either taped to them or in a hidden compartment inside their vehicle. These cases are prosecuted either federally or in state court. For those that are prosecuted federally, you're dealing with tough mandatory minimum sentences and U.S. attorneys who tend not to want to negotiate the case. In state court, you're still dealing with tough sentences, albeit many of them not mandatory minimums, but a lot of what will go on in state court, in all likelihood, you'll be dealing with weight enhancements if you have this much drugs on you that could bring a sentence of a couple of years into the teens and 20s if you're ultimately convicted. Some general things you want to be aware of. You want to keep your mouth closed and certainly not admit to any responsibility, not admit to any knowledge of the drugs. You want to demand or certainly require that law enforcement get a warrant, obtain a warrant to go through your phone, computer, situations like that. Far too often people, when charged with distribution, transportation of controlled substances or drugs in general, turn over their phone to law enforcement. Yeah, sure, here's my passcode. Yeah, sure, here it is. Take my phone. Go ahead. I'll sign this consent to search. When some of the most damning evidence and the worst evidence in any case comes from a cell phone, if not from the individual themselves. So you want to be smart about that. You don't want to try and outthink the investigating agency. You don't want to try and outsmart them. You don't want to try and put words, that they want to hear in your mouth. Best thing to do is to be quiet, reach out to a locally experienced, quality criminal defense law firm that'll have your best interests at heart in protecting everything that you hold valuable to you, whether it's your future, whether it's your job, whether it's your family, whether it's your freedom, whether it's a combination of all of those. Reach out to a firm like ours. More than happy to see if we could help you out. We can be reached at 619-295-3555.